Okay, so I'm going to support or submit this as a 2017 Mazda 6, the rear brake assembly removal. As a lot of these systems that have the electronic brakes on them, this is very similar to the other ones. This is your electric brake unit here that I've already taken off. Pretty simple. The hard part is it's a little tight to get at where these two screws are, and so you have to have either or a special wrench or whatever. This is a T30. And then on the back side, I'm gonna move this thing out of the way. Hold on. Once you take that off, you see the back side, I've already got it in there. There's right there be careful of your O-ring and all that when you're putting stuff back together. But that is a T40, and you spin that T40 in clockwise from, as if you're facing it clockwise until it bottoms out. And that allows you to do what I'm about to do right now, which is release your I'm having a brain fart today, please excuse me. To compress your piston and put it all the way back into the unit. And all I'm doing is I just stuck a screwdriver in between the let me see if I get a good video here. Right here, and I'm just pulling back. So I'm really not damaging anything. And then at this point, it's a matter of just taking the you have to put a wrench on this right here to hold it in place. Take this nut out, wrench, nut, take it off. Change your pads accordingly. And then when you put it back together, all you really got to do is put the unit back onto the back side here, being careful of your O-ring. Some people say you want to put a little light grease in the O-ring. But the first time you engage your parking brake, the electric parking brake on this, it's going to take a little longer to engage, because I believe that it engages to a point that until it reaches a certain amount of resistance, and then it shuts off the motor, and that's your parking brake effectively. So hopefully this works fine, and I'm going to pause this